Hold your breath and count to 10.
It comes down to not getting a job, because that's kind of I don't say scam, but you're capped at a salary or capped at a minimum wage of an hour. Let's say $20 an hour. You're capped at, if you work 8 hours a day, making $160 a day, great, but then you can't move up from there. You can't make more money, right? So the ultimate thing you want to do is make money while you sleep. And how do we do that, right? Online money, right? Wi-Fi money, right? So pretty much, and what you guys see is, you got to be able to sell a digital product online, or at least capture a lot of eyeballs on your videos, right? Either those two things, or you're just really good at talking to people and you can maybe do sales or something like that, right? I recommend going the digital marketing route, where it's, hey, you're selling a product on top of getting a lot of eyeballs on your videos, right? And you're probably wondering, Alex, how do I do this, right? With no experience, no skill, no knowledge, right? Well, it's very simple. Everyone has skills. Everyone has knowledge, right? Everyone has some sort of skill set and some sort of interest. And I guarantee you guys, if you have done some stuff that is well in your lifetime that you could teach other people how to do, right? So for example, sell a course. It sounds extremely easy, but not a lot of people want to do it because it sounds scammy. But it's not. It's actually really good. It's a really good way to make money, right? And I hate when people say, oh, it's not a good way to make money, oh, it's scammy. I'm like, no, it's you try doing it. It's not that easy. You know what I'm saying? And I don't say that. I say it easy and also hard because, there's going to be two sides of the coin, right? People are going to buy it and be like, hey, I love your product, give you a good 5-star review. And then there's the other side of the coin where it's like, they don't even buy your product and they shit on your product. It doesn't make sense, right? Or there's just another guy who buys the product and they don't even look at the product, but they still junk on your product, right? And they still talk shit about the product. And I'm like, okay, whatever, So those are the other sides of the coin with the product, but you can make a lot of money selling digital products. As well as now, guys, TikTok. Literally you can post so many videos and it'd still be unoriginal and make money. I did this for a long time. Just reposting baseball videos and doing little edits and putting them on TikTok, right? There's a lot of people doing that with movies or whatever the hell that they want to put up, right? On TikTok, make 1 minute, make it spicy, get it 10,000 followers. Should take only maybe a couple weeks to get monetized. Same with YouTube. I'm doing a YouTube Shorts channel, literally this channel right now. I'm still kind of split testing videos, but literally just put a sound, right? Literally put a sound and make the text long as hell. Like literally, let's say this is the video, right? You make the text long as hell and they're gonna trying to read the whole paragraph, right? And the average video duration is gonna be like 20 seconds and the video is like 5 seconds and you still get a ton of watch time, right? It's insane. There's so many good ways to make money online, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. It's insane. Obviously, you gotta be patient. There's no get rich quick scheme, but if you can do it right, then you will have a good chance at making a lot of money, right? And I'm still learning myself. I'm young, I'm 23. I'm still building myself up and still trying to make even more money than I have right now, and learning from my mistakes and learning, maneuvering. I'm just giving you guys what I know. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, guys. So those are kind of the best money making methods I would tell you guys to get even at $30,000 or $60,000. Sorry, $50,000 in under 30 days. If I were you and you only have $50, but if you have $50 initially, I guess we can talk about an investment in $50 if you want to invest it, right? So if you want to invest it $50, then I'd honestly invest in a course or something to increase your knowledge on how to do it, how to do something a lot better. Or even, invest in a TikTok promotion or Instagram promotion to get more followers so you can end up getting them to buy your product later on, right? And also that takes skills on how to make a good video, right? And I'm not gonna teach you guys how to make a good video, but if you learn it on YouTube for 2 or 3 hours, I guarantee you can learn how to make a good video. There's just so much stuff on the internet that is so easy to make videos on if you just put your time into it for a 2 or 3 hour video and get a little selfie tripod stick, or even learn how to edit on CapCut and post the edits on TikTok and see how you do it, right? You save your money, keep stacking that cash. You're not gonna have a lot of cushion, and you're not gonna live a stress-free life. That's the whole point of this life, is to live stress-free and to also make a lot of money, right? And also, for example, you have, obviously we were saying this video, you have $0 in it, but let's say you have $10,000 in your account and you want to buy a Corvette like me. You do not buy the Corvette. You literally, this is what I did. I put a down payment, $10,000 on the Corvette, my whole life savings on the Corvette, and then ended up having to downgrade to a Tesla just because it was too expensive, and I couldn't keep up with it, the payments. So definitely, number one, live below your means, and then number two is definitely work as hard as possible before you can work smart. So what I mean by this is saying, hey, DoorDash, Uber Eats, but in the same time, if you have a car, you can do this, by the way. DoorDash, Uber Eats, whatever, side gigs, side hustles. But pretty much do whatever you can to stack up a lot of cash to build something where you can have your money work for you, right? Where you're, leveraging passive income, right? So for example, building a YouTube channel or building a product. Those are the best things to do when to make passive income, right? And to literally make money when you sleep. That's the whole goal of this game. When you have money working for you, it's a glitch. It's infinite glitch, right? So that's what you gotta do. And that's number 2. And number 3 is definitely kind of goes back to number 1, live below your means. But I think also another thing is also, I would say probably, I'm trying to think. I would say invest in courses, and a lot of them too, on self-development and self-knowledge, on also making money and building wealth. I think it's definitely very underutilized. And also just make your YouTube feed really recommend you content on the make money niche, and you can see where it takes you, like Alex Ramosi, a lot of those type of guys that will help you, learn financial knowledge and financial literacy, right? And I'm still learning too. I don't know everything. I'm just kind of giving you advice on what I would do, right? And definitely just try those hacks and definitely see how those go. And yeah, definitely try those things. And also, the 4th thing I would say is definitely give it time, be patient. There's no get rich quick schemes overnight, and nothing happens overnight, right? But you can definitely build an empire. Rome wasn't built in a day, right?